Hey yo, mic check 1 2. What is this? It's your boy Dre La Soul here with some more crypto news and crypto wisdom for your head top. So today we're gonna be talking about one of the dirtiest tricks in the crypto space, and that's crypto rug pulls, right? Millions upon millions have been stolen from investors in just 2024 alone, even in 2025 and the year just started. Throughout the history of crypto, rug pulls have probably stole billions of dollars from investors, right? This is one of the dirtiest tricks. We're going to be talking about celebrities and politicians being caught up in the chaos and being mixed up in this craziness. We'll talk about one of the biggest rug pulls of this year, which is LIBRA and Argentina's president. We'll break down last year's infamous HAWK TUAH disaster and show you exactly how to avoid losing your hard-earned cash. So, let's get into it, right? A rug pull is pretty much when a shady dev or developer creates a crypto project, they hype it up, and then they vanish with all the money, right? Investors are left with worthless tokens. It's kind of like getting an ad for a Lambo or a Mustang, and then you end up with a Hot Wheels car, right? So these scams prey on FOMO. They prey on, the fact that people don't really know much about the space, and then they take zero accountability, right? So let's dive into what crypto rug pulls are a little bit more. So a rug pull is a scenario in cryptocurrency where developers abandon the project. After raising assets, they leave participants with just worthless tokens. Like tokens go down to zero. Rug pulls can occur in various forms, including, liquidity pools. You got fake projects. You got pump and dump schemes. You got, team exits where the team just vanishes, right? And to avoid rug pulls, you need thorough research, security audits, community engagement, and awareness of warning signs. That is all crucial, right? So we got to understand rug pulls and be wary, because I'm telling you, more rug pulls are going to be coming, right? With Kanye jumping into the space talking about cryptocurrency, with Trump coin and celebrities and presidents and government officials feeling like they can make coins, a lot of people are going to make coins in replacement, right? This is like a copycat haven, right? This is the place where everyone just copycats everybody, right? And because of that, we have fake projects, right? So we got to be wary. We got to know that everything that glitters isn't gold, right? So let's dive into it a little bit more, right? Now, one of the biggest rug pulls of crypto's recent history is like the HAWK TUAH situation. We got the Argentina situation. So we got to learn from these, right? So the recent controversy surrounding meme coins have further complicated the market's landscape, right? Meme coins are fun. I love meme coins. It's all about culture, but a lot of it is just a money grab, and people are jumping in it and treating it like a casino. That's why Solana is considered like the casino now, right? Because of meme coins. So high profile incidents such as the launch of the meme coin by the Argentina president that resulted in a massive financial loss for investors raises questions about the integrity of meme coin projects. Now, back in the day when Dogecoin was popping, I've invested in Dogecoin, but I was telling friends and family, telling people that asked me about it, hey, be wary. These coins are spicy. You might get burnt, right? And I say that with caution, and I don't say that because I'm hating, because I didn't make millions off of that particular meme coin. I'm saying it because I've been through the trenches. I've lost some bread in meme coins. I threw some, sometimes you just throw stuff at the wall and see if it sticks. And a lot of the times it doesn't stick. Have I made money from meme coins? Yes. There's some meme coins where I should have took profits out earlier than I did. There's some where I got some good profits, and there's some where I lost. So all in all, meme coins can be cool, but they are very, very dangerous, right? So such events highlight the risk associated with speculative investments. Crypto in and of itself is a speculative market, right? In this sector, we have to be cautious and approach everything with caution moving forward in this crypto space, right? So now let's rewind to 2023, right? And talk about this whole HAWK TUAH situation, right? Because that chick, I don't know, man. She came into space, she blew up off of that the HAWK TUAH meme and video all over the internet and whatnot, and then figured out how to make money off of crypto and ran away with the bread, right? There was an article saying that she's actually on the list for one of the biggest frauds in the world, right? So social media star Haley Welch launched HAWK, which crashed 71% in 20 minutes. Investors lost millions, and a federal lawsuit followed. HAWK's now worth 0.0006. That meme coin, is like a ticking time bomb. And it proves that a lot of meme coins are ticking time bombs, right? So we got to be careful. We got to be wary about cryptocurrency and these crazy meme coins, right? So as we get further into this video, I'll give you some advice and some tips and some ways to avoid losing your bread and your hard-earned cash, right? So the HAWK TUAH rug pull was a costly lesson for meme coin traders and traders in general. So on December 4th, 2024, social media personality Haley Welch launched a HAWK TUAH token, symbol HAWK, right? That meme coin, its value crashed from 500 million to 60 million within 20 minutes. That's insane. What started as an internet hype quickly turned into a financial disaster. The backlash was swift, both for investors and legal authorities. Berwick Law has already filed a federal lawsuit against Welch and 3 others involved in the failed project, accusing them of misleading the public. As of now, HAWK is trading at, like I said, 0.0006, a 71% plunge from its all-time high. This serves as yet another brutal reminder. Meme coins can be fun, but without transparency, without real utility, they're nothing more than a ticking time bomb. So stay sharp, do your research, and don't let the hype drain your wallet, please, man, because it's crazy out there, yo. It's really, really crazy out there. Now, let's talk about the biggest meme coin and rug pull disaster of 2025 thus far. And we're only in February. We're just approaching March. The year just started. We're still in the first quarter, and things have been getting crazy, right? Argentina's president, Milei, endorsed LIBRA. It's a token promising to boost the economy, right? It hit 4.5 billion in market cap, then crashed 94%, bro. 94%. If you thought the HAWK TUAH situation was crazy, this is crazy as well. 94% in 11 hours. I mean, HAWK TUAH, if in 20 minutes, that was a lot faster. But still, 94% in 11 hours is still insane, right? Investors cashed out 107 million, and Milei's now facing impeachment, right? Argentine President Javier Milei faces potential impeachment after endorsing the LIBRA cryptocurrency token on social media, which collapsed in a suspected 107 million rug pull scam. The Solana-based token surged to 4.56 billion market cap on February 14th. Love day, but crypto ain't showing no love. Following Milei's now deleted X or Twitter account, post promoting, that this project was something that he was endorsing, right? It's a private project to boost Argentina's economy. However, within 11 hours, its value plummeted 94%, wiping out investor funds, bro. Just wiping it out. So let's talk about some key points, right, with this collapse. 8 wallets linked to the LIBRA team cashed out 107 million. So that's 5.6 million USDC and 4.7 million in Solana, just hours after the token launch, triggering its collapse. So blockchain analysts like LookOnChain and Bubble Maps flagged this particular coin. They brought up some red flags, including the 82% of the token supply being unlocked and sellable from the start. So that's a little shady as well, right? Now, when it comes to meme coins, you have to have a fair launch. If there isn't a fair launch, people are going to be like, where do most of these coins reside? Who has these wallets and who's controlling it? Is it the developers? Is it the people that created it that's controlling it? So that, raises some eyebrows, right? Politically, opposition lawmakers accused Milei of enabling the scandal. While he denied involvement, calling it a private venture, investigations are underway, with evidence showing past meetings between Milei and LIBRA's developers. Now, the developer got in cahoots with Milei, rubbed shoulders with him, started, telling him about this project and this opportunity, and boom, now we got a rug pull. This case highlights the dangers of celebrity endorsed crypto projects and their legal and political fallout. When it comes to celebrities promoting cryptocurrency, there's always an issue. The only person that hasn't had an issue is probably Iggy Azalea. That's like really one that's like in this crypto space and in the trenches. But so many people have gotten in trouble for endorsing cryptocurrencies. You got Mayweather, DJ Khaled, Ghostface Killer. There's so many different celebrities that got caught up in these scams. And Jason Derulo is one of them as well. Jason Derulo has tons of scams that he's associated with, and this dude is creating more and more coins, which is insane. I just don't get it. Now, Milei has requested Argentina's anti-corruption office to investigate all government members, including himself, for potential misconduct, which is cool. I commend him for that, but still. Documents revealed he met with Kip Protocol, which is Libra's developers, in October of 2023, and Hayden Mark Davis, a crypto entrepreneur tied to the project, in 2024, January of 24, right? This incident highlights risk of celebrity-endorsed crypto projects again. So tokens linked to like Donald Trump and Melania Trump as well can be, added to this category. Even though he's the president and he's pro-crypto, there's some questions and, eyebrows raised with their situation as well. So analysts criticize Libra's lack of transparency with no tokenomic details shared pre-launch. It's all about tokenomics, right? If you don't have good tokenomics, that coin could be a scam coin. It could be a rug pull. It could just be a dead project, right? So be wary about those. Now, let's talk about another rug pull. This is another situation that happened recently, right? And this is with CAR. So CAR is Central Africa Republic. They had a rug pull situation as well. So let's dive into this particular situation, right? So CAR's president launched a meme coin, right? And he launched this particular meme coin, and the coin soared to 79 cents, right? Until the website vanished and crashed. It just disappeared into thin air. And it crashed 70%. There was no tokenomics, no transparency, a classic rug pull, right? So now you guys are starting to understand what these rug pulls look like and what they can be and how to identify them, because there's no tokenomics. You got celebrities or government officials promoting this stuff, and then Twitter posts and websites just start disappearing, right? It gets funny and funky, and like it's just like, yo, something stinks and we got to figure it out, right? Now, the Central African Republic president, Tadaras, forgive me for butchering his name, but I mean, the president of CAR, right? Meme coin crashed 70% shortly after its launch in February 10th of 2025, sparking scams allegations due to a lack of transparency. So initially hyped, the coin surged to 79 cents, with one trader reporting turning $5,000 into $12 million before it plummeted to 19 cents, right? Amid all the skepticism. The project's official website just vanished. It disappeared, fueling rug pull, suspicions, right? Attempts to verify its legitimacy were in conclusion, right? Leaving traders bearish. The incident highlights that the risk of politically endorsed meme coins and their volatile speculative nature, right? As of now, CAR remains at 19 cents with uncertainty over its future. We don't really know what the heck is happening with that one, but that meme coin crashed 70%. We had the HAWK TUAH coin would crash 71%, and we had the Argentina LIBRA coin that crashed 94%, right? Now, we have another rug pull situation, and I don't know. I feel a way about this one because it is tied to CZ. CZ, right, is the founder of Binance. Binance is one of the biggest crypto exchanges in the world, right? Binance has been around from the early days. Binance has helped a lot of other companies. If you know, back in the day with FTX, Sam Bankman-Fried and CZ were going back and forth with each other. They were cool at one point. CZ was going to help him out, but then he realized there was a gaping hole in their financials and fell back. People are blaming him for putting the spotlight on FTX, but it was already an issue. CZ is known for helping the space and promoting the space and just being an advocate because he got locked up for cryptocurrency. So he's one of those martyrs for cryptocurrency, kind of like Ross Ulbricht, right? Now, the reason why I feel a way about this one is because he doesn't really promote meme coins. He's all about utility. He's all about real blockchains. They have a blockchain called the BNB Chain. So Binance CZ teased the coin named after his dog, right? His dog is named Broccoli. So hundreds of copycats flooded Solana and the BNB chain. As I said, this space is a space of copycats, right? And a 99% rug happened. Critics called it a selfish ploy to pump BNB activity, because the reason why they say that is because in order for people to get these particular meme coins that are traded on a particular blockchain, you got to buy that coin for that blockchain. So if it's created on Solana, you got to buy Solana to trade Solana for that coin. So that causes the price of Solana and the activity to go up. Same thing with BNB. So people are saying that he was trying to boost the activity, right? So former Binance CEO CZ, because he had to step down when he got locked up, faces backlash after broccoli-themed meme coin inspired by his dog led to investor losses, with critics accusing him of losing his influence to boost the BNB chain activity, right? Now, after CZ teased his dog's name, there was just like tons and tons of people that went out there and just started creating meme coins off of this, right? They flooded Solana because Solana is like the meme coin casino on Pump Fund. Pump Fund is the graveyard of meme coins. You know, a lot of people have made bread on Pump Fund, but I'm telling you, majority of people, like 90%, probably 95%, have lost bread, right? And it was also pumped on BNB's 4.meme. Most crashes, most of it crashed into near zero and suspected rug pulls. So critics claim that CZ prioritized BNB engagement over his ethics. While he defended himself, asserting he had zero experience launching meme coins, right? The incident raises concerns about influencers' accountability, meme coin volatility, and the regulatory gaps in crypto. So while CZ faces criticism, no formal repercussions have, emerged in this particular situation, right? Now, let's talk about how to not be a statistic, right? We don't want to be a statistic when it comes to cryptocurrency, crypto rug pulls, scams, and all that. It does happen to the best of us. It happens to some of the smartest people in the space. I've been a victim of some scams myself, so it happens to the best of us. I would recommend getting a VPN if you're trading cryptocurrency on these crazy platforms and websites. Protect your information on your cell phone, on your computer, and here's some other tips, right? So avoid anonymous teams, right? If there's no face, there's no trust, right? Don't trust them, right? No face, no case. Check locked liquidity. If devs can drain funds, then it's a trap, right? If they got all the funds, if 80%, 90% of the funds are with the developers, be wary because they can drain it at any time. Number 3, verify the contract address, right? All these cryptocurrencies have a contract address because they are created with smart contracts. So that contract address could bring you to the original coin. Because what happens is people make copycats of these coins, and you type in the ticker symbol for a coin and there's so many of them, you don't know which one to choose. You choose the wrong one and then you get scammed, right? So verify. Only use links from the official social media handles. Like if you go to their Twitter, you go to their Discord, their Telegram, Instagram, whatever. Make sure you use the official links from those sites. And beware of the copycats. Again, there was hundreds of broccoli coins out there. It's just like pump and dump central when it comes to the clone army of tokens. So beware of the clones. Beware of the attack of the clones. Now, ultimately, number 5, you got to do your own research, right? Do your own research. Dior. I say this all the time. DYOR. Do your own research. audit reports, check the tokenomics, check the community, because that matters, right? Pay attention to the community and see if there's real people actually talking about these coins, right? So those are some tips to help you stay safe in this space, right? Pro tip, stick to projects that are on reputable exchanges that have clear fundamentals. When it comes to an exchange like Coinbase, they go through a rigorous process, testing these coins, figuring out what these coins are about, checking the tokenomics, checking the projects, founders, the team, and all that to make sure that this is a good coin to put on their platform, right? So take that same mindset and do the research to figure out if this coin makes sense. But to cut all that hard work out, just stick to a reputable exchange like a Coinbase, like a Binance, like a Gemini, like a Uphold. Stick to those exchanges, right? It can get very crazy on Pump Fund, 4.memes, and even on these decentralized exchanges. So if you're not, versed in this space, you got to protect yourself. And never, 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 ever, ever invest more than you can afford to lose. This is not financial advice. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm not your fiduciary. Make sure you consult with one of those guys when it comes to your finances. But I'm just here to give you some news and give you some information, right? Rug pulls thrive because crypto is still the wild, wild west. Influences pump, FOMO kicks in, and regulations lag, right? So until laws catch up, you are your own best defense, right? So you got to protect yourself, and put your guard up. Now, if this video saves your crypto portfolio, or if you feel like it's going to help you save your crypto portfolio in the future, make sure you hit that like button, drop a comment, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Maybe share some of your rug pull horror stories. Let me know what topics you want to hear about next. Stay safe, stay skeptical, and I'll catch you on the next one. It's your boy Dre La Soul, Crypto Rants. We out.